Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I want to show you this stunning serving tray from Divit Shilp. This is an absolute beautiful statement piece that you can use for both food or just as a decor item. So this is safe for food, which is awesome. So if you want to display fruit in here, or you want to do crackers and cheese, maybe some nuts, whatever you want to put in here, it will add so much pizzazz to your table, to your display. It's a really nice size, so you can put a lot of food in here and make something that looks really beautiful. It's also really convenient for other areas in the home. We particularly like it in our entrance to put our keys. It's kind of a catch-all when we walk in the door, but it can be used all over the place. Now, it's made of mango wood. It is stunning. It's a beautiful dark green. You can see all the wood grain through there. Very smooth finish. And then you have that rough bark edge. So pretty. I absolutely love this piece. It is so versatile and it's just really beautifully made. So if you're looking to add some wood accents to your home and you want something that is both beautiful and useful, I think you will absolutely love this wood bowl, and that's my point of view.